Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the dollar monthly, I still think that this push up is more likely a 1. I have it labeled as an A or 1, just so that way we're not surprised. I think that this is actually part of a correction to that move up, like a wave B or a wave 2, and I personally think it's going to go up and make a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 of an expanding flat, all part of this A, B, C of what I believe is an expanding flat on the monthly time frame. So keep that in mind. Let's take it down to the weekly. So on the weekly, we do have a Fibonacci bounce, but we do not have a breaker structure. We don't really have a high or low or anything proving that this is over. We have to keep in mind that this definitely could go down to any one of these Fibonacci levels. So the trend is still down and it may continue down. Going down to the daily time frame, we do not have a breaker structure to the upside on the daily yet either. It does look like it's impulsive up and possibly corrective down, so it does seem like it possibly could end up breaking structure to the upside. And if it does, if and when it does break structure, I'll be more than happy to start looking for buys long term. If not, then if we do not get that breaker structure, then technically you should definitely still be looking for shorts because it definitely could push down to any one of those lower Fibonacci levels on the weekly time frame. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, it definitely looks like impulsive up. It seems like it should be like a wave A. Seems like this could be a wave B, or this could be a wave 1, and this could be a wave 2. Does seem pretty likely that this could end up pushing up this week and breaking structure. Or if it's just an ABC, it might push up, break structure, reject structure, and just keep on going down. So we do have to keep an eye out because we have to keep in mind that the higher time frames are definitely still in a downtrend, and it definitely still could continue to push down. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, the question is whether or not this move up right here is really the end of a correction or not. To me, this looks like an uptrend right here. Like I said, either a wave A or a wave 1. This right here also looks like a downtrend, which is why I think this is an A of a correction. We might actually just be in a correction to this move down right now, like a wave B, and then eventually it pushes down more for a wave C. And this would be like an ABC of B or an ABC of 2, maybe going down to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels before it actually does push up for either that wave C or that wave 3 like I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.